Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Smart Speaker, and today I will show you how we can adjust the volume of the alarms and timers. So at the first you have to simply go for the Google Home app, then choose our speaker, go on the right upper corner. Wait a minute. Let's enter one more time. We have to get the settings icon. So when it's available, we have to go here, then tap on the audio, and here we can find the alarms and the timers, and here we can easily adjust the timers and the alarms volume by moving the switcher. Let's pick, for example, this option. So after that you can go back and it will set up. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.